Hey folks, Adam here. I've got a great product for you. This comes to us from WARMQ. It also comes in orange, but this is for being able to clean and pressure wash under your car. Kind of an undercarriage cleaner, which is absolutely amazing. So what's the story about it? Why do you need it? And let me tell you about it. Let's kick it off right about now. Now, first off, you can see the device itself is designed to spray water up underneath your undercarriage. Now, in my case, we get a lot of salt and a lot of things here in Florida, and you don't want that to corrode the undercarriage of your vehicle. You can spend $40,000, $50,000 on a luxury SUV like this, and you don't want the elements and things tearing it apart. Being from Michigan, the brine and salt they use for the winters, any of the northern states, you're going to want to wash that off with regularity, and using a product like this is going to make a real difference. Now, first off, this thing is ultra slim, so it slides right underneath your vehicle. With 4 different nozzles, you're going to be able to clean under your vehicle, slide it deep in without a problem. Now, this does, let me show you, just clip on to a standard pressure washing tip right here, and it's going to go on accordingly. Furthermore, it's got a little bend, and you're going to be able to put that deep under your car. Very fantastic. And now, like I said, it comes in a variety of colors. A really fantastic product. Now, the rollers themselves move very smoothly. Let me get that into the camera for you. You can slide right underneath your vehicle without any problems. Now again, say that with me. Think about that. How much did you spend on your vehicle? I bet you spent anywhere, if you bought a new vehicle, the average new vehicle price is over $40,000. Do you want to protect your car, get it clean? How much do you spend on the paint? How much do you spend on the windows, the mirrors, everything to make it look fantastic? Well, this comes at a reasonable price, available on Amazon. With Amazon Prime, I'm talking A to Z guarantee. I'm talking free returns, free shipping. It's really a very reasonable price and a fantastically innovative product. In fact, before I picked this up, I didn't even know they existed. But I was looking for just that product that's going to go ahead and get under vehicles and make a real difference for me. Okay, so if you're worried about will it attach to your pressure washer, well, the bottom line is most likely. All standard pressure washers have this coupling here, and it's going to plug right in just fine. Now, also, I have to tell you that look at that. The quality of these is fantastic. Look at the machined design here. This is going to, a couple ball bearings, it's going to clip right in. I personally also noticed that I could turn it the other way, and suddenly you can clean your concrete with it, spraying down. But think about that. What is the most important part of your car? Well, certainly the undercarriage has to be on there. Now, I do recommend this, obviously, with a powerful pressure washer. I have an electric one that I picked up on Amazon as well, and it's having no problems really getting under there and getting my vehicle clean. The wheels, very slick, very well designed, and a very smooth finish. So no problems. These are going to last a long period of time. You see the number of spokes, the design here, and look at how smoothly that thing spins on just one motion. All right, let's give you an up close. Sorry about the wind. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link available for you. You're going to want to go ahead and purchase this. Again, available with Amazon Prime. And you're going to want to order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from 911 Studios. A fantastic product. Order today. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Hey folks, I almost forgot to mention the product does come with this. It is a great mitt for polishing and drying off your vehicle. I like to keep a nice shine on my vehicle. So this thing works absolutely fantastic. And to tell you a little bit more, this is a 16-inch water, broom, and undercarriage cleaner, 4 stainless nozzles, pivoting coupler, and 3 extension wands. Really fantastic there. It is easy to set up like I told you. You can adjust and pull out accordingly, and specs say it's 1 16-inch dual function undercarriage cleaner, 2 16-inch straight wands, 1 14-inch 90-degree curve, which I showed you, the microfiber drying towel. It's stainless steel and brass. The couplings are brass and stainless steel. Connection 1/4 inch connect plug, which is pretty standard. This is the orange and black. Max temperature 140 degrees and working pressure is 1400 to 4000 psi. Warmly 24/7 online after sales service is provided. Welcome to contact them. They have the address and information for contact as well in the United States. So you're going to want to go ahead and order today. Absolutely amazing. What a fantastic kit. Again, you won't be disappointed.